TeleMessage text archiving for the Verizon mobile network. The TeleMessage text archiving for the Verizon mobile network allows Verizon customers to capture text messages and archive them in any enterprise archive. The workplace of today is a different environment. An ever-growing component of employee communications is moving to mobile devices. Emails are being replaced with text messages, calls, and other mobile messaging channels. Mobile phones are being used by organizations and employees for an ever-increasing share of business communication. For highly regulated industries like government and finance, these mobile communications come with a burden. They need to comply with regulation and to archive text messages. The most common text archiving regulations are in the government sector, where legislations like FOIA, Public Records Acts, Sunshine Laws, Open Record Laws, and others are driving text message archiving. Similarly, financial firms are required to archive text messages to comply with FINRA, the SEC, MiFID II, and similar regulatory demands for mobile chat and communication archiving. Similar mobile archiving requirements exist in other verticals. To avoid violations of state or federal law, as well as financial regulations, organizations are required to maintain and present all text messages sent to constituents, stakeholders, colleagues, or customers outside of the company's network. Unlike other text archiving solutions that might require installing apps or changing employee habits to capture text messages, Verizon Text Archiving can capture and archive all native SMS and MMS messages without any need for app installation, nor changes to employee habits, companies' workflows, or other business processes. Verizon Text Archiving allows your employees to exchange text messages while all text communication is captured and archived securely with no user effort. If they need to travel, text messages are captured and archived even while your employees are roaming. Easy to set up, configure, launch, and maintain, the TeleMessage text archiving for the Verizon network entails no app download, no user effort, and no changes in messaging behavior. It's the painless way for government, finance, and other organizations to record and archive their employee SMS and MMS communications. All SMS and MMS, including metadata and content such as text, pictures, audio, and video attachments, are backed up on the company on-premise servers or an archiving cloud provider of your choice, ready for download, search, and e-discovery. Your organization can choose where to store the Verizon text from a variety of leading compliance and archiving vendors. So whether you're discussing official business, approving transactions, or finalizing details, you need to be sure you're in compliance. Store text messages in the cloud or on-prem. Provide information for public record requests, investigations, claims, e-discovery, cases, and more. Run searches based on sender or recipient, number, text, date range, message type, attachment, employee email, and other metadata. Get TeleMessage text archiving for Verizon today and answer all your mobile archiving and compliance requirements.